Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And you can probably see I am not in the Off-Grid tiny house right now, although I do wear my t-shirt, the Off-Grid Project, everywhere I go. A lot of you are wondering where I've been all this time, and I think it's been 2 weeks since I've been much on YouTube. Well, the reason being that I am working right now and I'm not home very much during the daytime hours at this time, and when I do get home it's getting dark out, so there's just not much opportunity for doing projects and stuff on the homestead after dark hours. Although it's only 5 o'clock, 5:30 it gets dark out these days, but still there's not a lot of opportunity for doing a lot of projects in the dark on the homestead, and it's really cold out there. So recently haven't had any chance to do it much, but life goes on. We keep the house warm, we're burning firewood, and as the days start getting longer, which should come up pretty soon here, we should start having longer and longer days. That will give me the opportunity to start doing some more projects out here very soon. So stay tuned. This is not the end. This is just a pause, a brief intermission. Very soon it'll be getting lighter and lighter out there, and I'll be able to start getting out and start working on my daily homestead videos. Spring is coming. It won't be long and we'll have spring. I have to finish that greenhouse. I have a lot of ideas for projects going on. I have some really cool projects I want to do for you, and it's just a matter of time. And then of course by the time I get home, when you're working a new job, you get home, you're tired, and you just, it takes time to adjust and get into the routine, the new routine. So, bear with me a bit. I'm still here, I will still be around, and I will still be doing daily videos soon again. So all is not lost and it's not the end. Anyway, I am still working on DIY tube when I get a chance. Lunchtimes and evenings I do work on DIY tube. And we've got our server running and we'll be working on that. And we're planning on setting up our own data centers and servers, so that's really exciting, really cool. Anyway, so I'm sure a lot of you are happy to hear that I do have a job and we are going to be able to pay the bills, no problems there, and life will go on, and homesteading will pick up again very soon. It's just an adjustment phase for us, that's all. Alright guys, well, I'll get this up to you so you know what's going on. We're still here, and things are still going well. Now we are seeking legal help towards the other thing. I'm not going to go into it much because a lot of people get angry when I mention it, and some people even think it's all fake, which really is annoying. And that's the problem. We're trying to still find legal help after all these years. It's hard to find people that believe you. So that's taking up a lot of my resources and time as well. So we're hopefully going to try to end that soon. Anyway, that's it guys. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I gotta get back to work. Talk to you later.